Letonya'dan günaydın. Arkadaşlar abone olmayı unutmayın. Burası Riga eski şehir merkezi. Riga Cats. Burası da Riga Belediye binası. Ukrayna 1933 by Gennady massacres, the communist regime turned Ukrainian peasants into disenfranchised slaves. Ukrayna tarihinde
Russia did some kind of, I mean, basically,
burası da Museum of the Occupation of Latvia. Letonya işgalinin müzesi. Evet, bunun içinde avokado var, somon var. Bunu yiyeceğim, kahvaltı yapacağım. İçinde de somon var, avokado var, fasulye var, havuç var. Pilav var içinde. Hadi bakalım yine. Orası da Riga Katedral. Burası da üç kardeş evi. The Three Brothers House. 1991 Gels. Barricades. Freedom for Baltic.
Finally gave up to Russian Tsar. One was they were out of food because you know all the gardens and fresh food. This was outside of the walls. They cannot get enough of the food. And
Burası da İsveç kapısı. Daracık sokak burası. Biraz küçük bir ülke. Where are you from?
Latvia?
Latvia.
Yeah.
I'm traveling here alone. My name is Emre. What's your name?
Elizabeth.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I have a question for you.
Okay.
What makes you happy?
Friends and family.
Friends, family.
Yeah.
What about travel?
Yeah. Sometimes I become homesick very easily.
I came here yesterday for travel. I'm new here, alone traveling.
Do you like it here?
Not much. Little bit small country.
Small country.
Yeah.
You should probably go to seaside, Jurmala. It's very pretty
Seaside.
there. Like the beach.
Like a beach.
Yeah.
Okay.
Jurmala.
Yeah.
It's nice.
Okay, you can be friend if you want.
Sorry?
You can be friend. I have a YouTube channel. Can I have your Instagram?
Maybe. Yeah. I can tell you. Elizabeth. Late for
working.
work.
Okay.
This is me.
Tomorrow, are you free tomorrow?
Maybe.
Maybe we can grab you some coffee.
Maybe.
Together.
Okay.
Okay. Are you Latvian?
No, sorry, I'm a tourist as well.
Tourist?
Yeah.
Where are you from?
Iceland, and you?
Where?
Iceland.
Iceland.
Yeah. That's
Okay.
far away.
I'm from Turkey, Istanbul.
Oh, okay.
I'm
Nice.
traveling here. I'm YouTuber vlogger.
Okay.
I have a question for you.
Yeah.
I want to go to Iceland
Yeah.
soon.
You should do it. It's very, very beautiful.
Beautiful.
So,
Which day is the best time to visit to Iceland?
yeah.
Which time the best to visit time? Summer
Depends.
or winter?
Depends what you want to do and what you want to see. If you want to see the Northern Lights.
Summer.
Yeah, in the summer it's very nice, and in the winter as well. So,
Okay. Can I see North Lights in
Northern
Iceland?
Lights, yeah, you can see them, but yeah,
In
that's
summer?
not in the summer.
Not summer.
Then you have to go in the winter.
Winter.
Yeah, November, December, that's the best time.
Okay.
Yeah, but prepare because it's gonna be very, very cold. So
Very good.
Yeah.
Thank you.
No
Have a nice day.
you too.
Bye bye. Are you Latvian?
Yes.
I'm traveling. I have a question for you.
Yes.
What makes you happy?
Good people around and having fun, I guess.
Do you like traveling?
Travel?
Yes.
Yes, I like to travel.
Yeah.
What makes me happy is my friends and my cat. And playing piano. That's about it.
Okay. I'm traveling the world. I'm new here. I came here yesterday. Latvia is small city, small country.
Yeah.
It's enough for one day.
I mean, there's lots to see. Yeah,
Yes.
just it's difficult to
Experience.
find. Yeah, and we have a lot of forests. Forest is for one day probably, but well, other stuff. Yeah, it's just difficult to, I guess, find.
Is this a Rathaus?
The what? We're not sure really. We're not from here, we're from another city. We're from Riga. Yeah.
If you have free time, we can grabbing some coffee.
No, we're have plans. We're going some places, so yeah.
Okay, we can be friends if you want. Can I have your Instagram if you have Instagram? Okay, I can give you.
Sure.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
I'll follow you back. Yeah. Nice to meet you. I'll follow you back like when I get ready.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Bye. Nice to meet you.
Yeah. Nice to meet
Thank
you
you.
too.
Nice to meet you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Kafeini içelim. Kahvede içelim. Evet, burası da Letonya Savaş Müzesi. Latvia Karan Müzesi. Evet, parka geldi şimdi. Burası da Prisetas kanalı. Burası da katedral.
Get to Kurt.
Yes, sir.
Ah, jetzt. Denke ich mal. Da fehlt einer.
Bremen müzisyenler heykeliymiş burası. Evet, Riga çarşı pazarına geldim. Riga Central Market. Evet, şimdi ben burada Letonya meşhur yemekleri deneyeceğim. Dumplings, şunlardan deneyeceğim. Dumplings with chicken. Geldiğim gördüğünüz gibi dumplings with chicken. Tavuklu mantı gibi, fiyatı da 5 euro falan. Üstüne de yoğurt var. Karabiber döktüm. Evet, şimdi diğer Letonya 5 kilometreden bir tane daha var. Bu da patatesli pankek. Letonya, Riga'da saat 10.30, hava hala aydınlık. Şu anda 12'den sonra karanlık oluyor. Burası kuzey ülkesi. 6 ay gündüz, 6 ay gece. Hava serin şu anda, güzel hava. Gündüz de biraz sıcak. Letonya, Riga turunun sonuna geldik şimdi. Herkese iyi akşamlar diliyorum. Yarın görüşmek üzere. Abone olmayı unutmayın. Beğeni yapın, yorum yapın.